Okay, fine. Huh? Okay, so okay, let's see that. Okay, na? What is that? Get double is there, right? Now things is my screen is visible, na? Screen is visible, voice, everything is fine. Okay.
Yes, Ravi.
Okay, then fine. So now, okay, what is that? What is that get, right? Get double. We will take the get double. Inside that, what we will do now? Just we will pass. What is that in the table? What is that in the table? S marks is there, right? S marks is there. S S marks is there. Fine. Okay, na? Then what we will do now? Just we will return that data. Means object. Yes. Here we will return that student object. Okay, na? So that's it. So now till, but I said that I don't want to configure because this is the class being class internally, right? So I don't want to create this class object, right? So which annotation, stereotype annotation we will use? At the rate component, right? So we will apply on the top of this class at the rate comp component, right? At the rate component. So what will happen internally? Our Spring will create the class object, and the first letter will become what? A small letter. Okay, na? So okay, fine. So come, I'll come and let's see that how we can perform using this method, means using row mapper, how we can perform the operation and how we will customize the data, right? How we will customize. Okay, na? So okay, so all things will completed, right? All things means two classes I increased, and in that row mapper interface I implemented in that class, and I wrote the logic, right? I wrote nothing, just I'm taking the data, means the result set. I'm taking the result, means data from the database, because in the database, from the database the result is coming, right? Result in the result set. After then what I'm doing, that just I'm setting the data in the student object, right? Student object, in the student object, and after then we will read this object, that's it. Okay, so okay, come here, come here. Okay, so what we will do now, next level, give me 1 minute. Oh, sorry. Yeah. Fine. Actually, it's my mistake only. So, okay, na. So we will create that. Okay, na. So what we will do now? So come here, right? Come here. So we will increase one method here. Okay, na. We will increase one method. So what we will do now? So it will return back. So just I want what? Come here, come here inside that. What is that? Come here inside that. Okay, so how we will do now? Come inside that student implementation class, right? Come inside that student implementation class. So first what we will do now? So just we will create the private. What is that? Private. After then what is that? Private. What is that? 1 minute, friends. Student mapper, right? Student mapper, we will take the, what is that? We have need to inject student mapper object here, right? So student, student is student. What is that? Student object mapper, right? Now std, just I'm taking sm, right? Student mapper, just reference name. But this one is, what is that? This one is, what is that? Object type. So on the top of this one also, what we will do now? At the rate auto wire annotation we will apply it. Okay, so after applying this at the rate auto wire annotation, what will happen? The our IOC container will inject the data here only, right? Our IOC container will inject the data in what? Student object mapper. Using a student object mapper we will perform that. So let's write the query, right? Let's write the first method. Where we will write the method? In student DAO, right? In the student DAO, what is that? Just write public, but it will return, just we want only one record, right? Only one record from the student, right? We want only one record from the student. So what is that? But in this time, what is that? Object return type means the return will means uh, it in this time object return type is there, right? So what we will do now? Students, students, the class name we will take, right? Students. Okay na? Student, what is that? Student, what is that? Get one object using, right? Using object mapper. Object mapper, this is our method, right? This is what our method. Okay, fine. Oh, we are taken. Okay now come to its implementation class. Okay now after coming the implementation class, what we will do now? Alt shift s plus v. Okay now alt shift s plus v. Okay. But we have need to select one record, right? So what we will, it's argumented what I said, that come here. In that we will decide, because we have need to pass the serial number also, right? Serial number also come here. So we will take, what is that? Int snvo, right? Based on the serial number we will select it. Okay na? Based on the serial number we will select it. Okay, so fine. Okay na? So this is the what one serial number also we will send, in the user will send. Okay na? Int, what is that? snvo. Okay, fine. Now int snvo. Okay, correct it. So what we will do now? Okay, delete it here, delete that one, and let's write the logic. Okay now let's write the logic here only, and we will see that. Okay, we will see that. So for that, what is that? Our need is to select what? Only one record. So we wrote already, select is to select star from student, where snvo number is the like positional parameter we already passed. Okay, so okay, so what we will do now? Just copy it, right? Just copy it, and what we will do now? Okay, come here inside that. Okay, now jt dot, what is that? Query method, query for object, right? What I said, that query for object, query, query for, what is that? Object, right? Query for object, this is the method, right? This is the method. Okay now this is the this method also overloaded method. Okay now, so what is that? This method also, what is that? Overloaded. See how many overloaded method is there. So based on the operation we can perform it, right? So what we will do now? So I will take this one only, right? SQL query row mapper, and this one object args. Okay na? I'm taking this one only, this overloaded method. Okay, so what we will do now? Why it's showing that deprecated? Huh? um okay, no problem. Another one we will take query, query for object, right? Query for object. Take this. Okay, no problem. Deprecated, showing that, leave it. Okay, nice, but still it will work. So what we will do now? Here we will pass the query. Okay na? Here we will pass the query. Okay, select. After then I said that, right? We have need to pass row mapper also, right? So what we will do now? This row mapper we created, right? So we will pass this one here. Okay, we will pass this one here only, and we will pass this one here only. After then passing that, what will happen? We will pass that what? snvo also, because we based on the serial number we are selecting, right? It will return, what is that? Student object, student. It will return, what is that? Student st. Okay na? It will return, what is that? Same object, and we will return back. Okay na? We will return back this st object only. So okay, so now all things will completed now. Okay, come here, right? In the test class, comment it everything. Let's comment it. Okay na? Okay, I commented this one. Okay now, so what we will do now? Come here. Okay now, so DAO dot, what is that? What is that? What method we taken? 1 minute. I forget that method. Okay, come here. What is the method? Get one object using object mapper. Okay, come here in the test class, right? Get 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 object using object mapper. Okay na? So okay, fine. Now what we will do now? Here we will pass 101 serial number, student number, right? So after then what will happen? No, this one Oracle database. Okay na. So in this Oracle database 101 means Pankaj will return back. Okay na. So Pankaj. So now what we will do now? It will return student. student. Students, right? Student object, it will return st. Yes, just st. Okay na. And print it and we will see that only single object. Yes, yout. This out, right? Now st. Okay na. Fine. Now run this application. Okay, now run it. See, we got it or not in the object format. Means this is the power of what? Object mapper means callback interface, right? Here what we are getting, the data means first it will come in the result set, and result set row mapper, using row mapper we are converting that result set in the object format, right? And the object format. But just if we don't want all records, so what we will do now, we will just we go inside that, what is that, where student row mapper class, right? Inside that just we comment it, right? Comment it. We don't want what is that, student marks, and run this application. Null will come there, null will come, error will come. Let's see that. See student marks 00 is coming, right? So we can able to customize our object or not. The means the row is becoming here what, in the object format. Okay na. So now again come in the row student row mapper class. Okay, come here. After then what we will do now? Okay, so we got it the result. Okay na. After getting the result, next what we will do now? Okay, come. So no, I want list of object, right? I want all whatever the data is there inside that, what, student table. I want all, using what? Using callback interface. So okay, for that let's decide what is that method. Okay, inside that what, where inside that, what, inside that interface. So what is that? Public, I said that, right? List, it will return list. We need what is that? List. So I said that, see, get all record in the previous, but I did not use the what, generic type student. But here I'm going to student generic type. I'm using what? Student generic type. This list is will return only student object only. But in that, yeah, this method based on, if we not use the generic, sometime we will get what? Sometime we will get what? Ambiguity and all those means problem also, right? In this some problem is there, but here there is no problem, typecasting problem and all those things in the multiple project, right? So now what is that? Get all student. Get all student using what is that? Object mapper, right? Mapper. This is our method, right? This is our method. Okay na. So this is our method, but if we want to return all result, so there is no need to take any argument. So because of that I'm not taking. If we want to select only one record, right? So at that time we have need what, one serial number. Okay na. But to selecting all record we don't have need, what, we don't have need to take all record. So what we will do now? Okay, so we need what? Alt shift s plus v. Okay na. We overriden here the method. Okay na. So after overriding the method, which we have need to select all student, right? So if we want to select all student, already we wrote the query, right? Already we wrote the query. So what we will do now? Just we will take it, right? Copy it and come here, right? Copy it and come here. So now, okay, fine. So okay, after copying this, what we will do now? Just take jt dot query method is there, right? Query method is there, and this is what, in that first what we will do now? We will pass that query. After then what we will do now? We will pass that one, what is that? Object mapper, right? Object mapper. So what is the reference? Sm, right? Sm. So just we will pass sm here, right? After passing this sm, and it will return what? List of object, right? List of data from the table. Whatever record is there, all record will return, right? All record will return here only. Okay na. So what is that? List of student, right? List of student. Okay, fine, right? Fine, we are getting that result, right? So what we will do now? List, just I'm taking what? List. Okay, list. Okay na. I'm returning the list only, right? Here list. Okay, fine. All data, then this method will return what? All list. Okay na. So just let's comment it. Let's comment it here. Let's comment it, and what we will do now? And we will see that result. Okay, we will see that result. So what is that? How we will create, what is that, DAO dot, what is that, get, get all record using what, object mapper, right? Object mapper. Okay, get all record using what is that, object mapper. Okay, we got it. Okay, so come now, it will return what is that, list of object, list of object, right? List of object is student only, right? Students. Students, student, right? This one will return what is that, list. Okay now, after getting this much list, this list, what is that, we will iterate it. I'm going to use what, Java 8 feature only, right? So I'm not going to write for each and all those things. So I'm using what, list dot, what is that, for each, inside that just I'm taking anything, r lambda expression, after then what is that, sys out, inside that just I'm passing what, r. Okay na. Okay, after passing that, what we will do now, just run this application and see the result in the list format. Okay, see, we got the student result and the list, student one, right? 101 means Pankaj, STT marks. But here in the things is, what is that, here we are getting what is that, our object. In the object, what property we taken, what property is they taken in the student, where the student, yeah, model class, right? Inside that, whatever property, std name, right? Std name come here, come in the result, right? Where the result, okay, come the result, right? Std name, it will become std name. Std id, this id will become 101, right? And the name means, key will become what, the object name, and value will become what, database name, right? Database name, right? So like that we are performing what, using what is that, ROM helper means callback interface. Okay na, just only one in the other interfaces, callback interfaces is not usable. Okay na, even not JDBC template also no one is using, but you know, if we know that JDBC template, then the things will become easy. Because of that I explain this what module. So now I completed, right? So many things is there, yeah. If we learn, right, JDBC template only, it will take too much time. Means still batch processing and all those things, so I don't want to touch here. Okay now, I will touch those things in Spring ORM only, right? So because their burden and all those things is less only. Okay, so don't worry about that. Okay na. So now please unmute yourself. If anybody having any doubt, let me know that till now whatever my explanation is there, the things is clear or not. Jo Amit.
Yes, Ravi. All is clear. No
uh,
problem.
Manjulata, don't worry. I will share this project also. You people, okay na? Please save this project. Just now, I will create one Git repository, and I will share that Git repository URL to you people. Okay. So do
Okay.
practical. So, do practical. Okay na? This energy should not be waste. Okay na? So
Sir,
because
functionality,
huh?
update functionality is not checking.
Update. Yes, update functionality. Okay, I will put just only, you know what is the problem, placeholder, right? So I will put in the group only. You people will mention, otherwise, and see, 3 hour is completed now. 3 hours onward, I'm continuously explaining to you people. Please give me the rest, okay? So don't worry. I will touch that just before explaining the ORM, right? In the next weekend, I will explain that one only, just because only 1 to 2 seconds, 1 to 2 minute work is there. Okay na, because already we wrote the code and all those things na, but just we have need to understand what, just we have need to understand how, why it's not working. Okay na. So don't worry about that. I will complete that one also. Okay na. Otherwise, I will put the things in the our group. Our group is there na, in the
Yeah,
group also.
whenever you have time, put it in the WhatsApp.
Yes. I in the WhatsApp, because I given the clear images in you people mind, right? So you can able to
Yeah.
work it. Okay. So now,
Sure, thank
Prasanna, what about you? You got the clear picture or not?
Yes, sir, it is clear. Thank you so much.
Now, explanation, clearance, anywhere, any doubt?
No, everything is perfect.
Ravi, one more question.
Yes.
At the repository, what is doing in this program?
Yeah.
Impact of the repository
At the,
annotation.
yeah, at the rate repository stereotype annotation is there. Based on that, whatever the DAO operation is there, right? If we apply on the top of DAO layer class, right? So whatever like transaction management, after then select result set, and whatever the database operation is there, all functionality will inherit inside this DAO interface, right? Because of that, we are using what @ repository annotation. Got the point?
Okay, Ravi, thank you.
Hmm. So okay. Anyway, Svetal, unmute yourself. Now,
Understood. I mean, for no doubts.
okay, please do one time practical also, right? So because
Yeah, yeah, sure.
until unless if you not do the practical, right, the things will not come. Because when you will start the practical then you also will stuck somewhere, then your mind will start to work and you will analyze the things, and then the work will go ahead. Okay, so please do the practical.
Yes, sir.
Please do the practical
Yes,
thing. Even how in which way I explain it, I am too much confident no one can explain it, right? Because institution people will how they will, because they will keep in the every to run the institution, right? Our running institution, for that business purpose they are explaining. But here I'm not running any businesses to you people. Okay, so
yes,
so whatever things is need, and I made that much easy, right? That much easy anybody can understand. First see how I'm giving the explanation as a what diagrammatically, and after then those things only I'm
yes,
implementing in the project only. Okay, so okay, Suraj,
yes.
what about you? You also unmute yourself.
Yes, sir, got it. The thing was that only practice is remaining. So that's why.
Do the practical, because today I shown the MySQL database also just the syntax is different, query syntaxes is different only, right? So do it the practical hard work, do it, right? When you people will become something in your life, right? And after then when we will become old, at that time we will meet it one we learn together the things, and today we are something in the life, that happiness will come. Okay, so I want those kind of word. Oh, matlab miss this environment I want. Okay na, so because of that I'm taking this kind of action to help the people, they also can achieve their goals. Okay na, because already I know the things. Okay na, if I know the things, see, I'm not by hearting anything, whatever things I'm explaining front of you people only, right? See here only, even if need, I'm seeing the internet also. So I'm not by hearting anything, all experiences, whatever my experiences is there, those things I'm sharing to you people. Okay, so okay, friends, let's stop the session, and we will meet with the new model, means Spring Varam in the next weekend. Okay, so let's stop the session, and we will meet in the next weekend. Okay, fine. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you, Ravi.
Yeah, thank you,
Okay, Ravi, thank you.
thank you. Okay, bye. Have a good time to you people. Okay,
Bye, Ravi. Thank you.
bye.
Thank you, Cindy.
Mm-hmm.